Alright, gentlemen, good evening. Welcome back to the Old Computer Shack. Here we are again with the Heathkit H8. I'll put some photos in here right quick because I haven't been recording much while I've been working on this, but I've been reassembling it. The painting's done, been reassembling, yada yada. Here we have the front panel. I desoldered all of these switches and put them back in straight because they were a little cattywampus. And I redid these because they were a little cattywampus. Here's the CPU card. I haven't done anything to the CPU card yet. As you can see, it still has a bunch of tantalum capacitors on it that need to be replaced. I did replace the tantalum capacitors with equivalent value electrolytics on the front panel board here and on the disk controller, which isn't in the machine yet. And this is a 64K memory board that, according to the guy I got it from, has some bad chips on it. And it also has tantalum capacitors on it that need replaced, which I haven't done yet. So we may have an explosion while we test, but I've already powered it on. I should have waited and done it with you guys because the excitement would have been more palpable. But the reset circuit sometimes doesn't work right. Sometimes it doesn't come up on its own correctly. It's probably an RC circuit, would be my guess, with a bad capacitor in it. I'll have to check that out. But other than that, it appears to be working. The front panel monitor program requires that the first 100 bytes of memory be good. So I guess it's probably okay. I haven't tried to do anything on it yet. And back there, that's the zero org card and configuration card that we did. I record a video on that? I can't remember. Anyway, it had blown up real good. There were 3 of the chips were bad. One of the tantalum capacitors had exploded, and I replaced the other one. So, well, this is looking more like it. I tried to glue the lens on with silicone, or silicone as we call it around these parts, with very limited success. Maybe it'll be better once it sets up a little bit, but I think I'm going to have to use actual regular glue. And there's still something a little cattywampus in here. The front panel board is sloping this way a little bit. You can see in there, so I don't know exactly what's going on with that, but I suspect I can move those brackets a little bit and get everything good. So see, like I said, the reset circuit's not working right, and that's not the right reset vector, I don't think. So something funny's going on, but the CPU is running. Because all of this front panel shit is a ROM program. So the CPU is running code off of the ROM. It lights up each segment of the 7-segment displays programmatically. So it's not like it's displaying garbage. The CPU is actually looping through and, scanning these manually. So the CPU card is definitely working. But if I try to reset it again here, nothing happens. That's a little funny. I suspect there's a bad capacitor in the reset circuit. We'll look at that later. In the meantime, I'm going to take a break for this evening. Let that silicone dry. Progress. Excellent. See you later.